Hi everyone, I hope you have a nice time. Let's try to create this slide presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, for the start we need to create these shapes. You see here how we can create them. We sometimes have two options, sometimes have one option. One option is to create the shapes. Another option is to find the shape here. I don't see where the shape is, because of that we are going to create that. For creating that we need a rectangle, okay, with this size, and we need another shape. From here we need this shape, I think. Let me find it. Okay, this shape. We create this shape and then rotate it, then increase it, decrease it in size. Now we need to set them together. For that we need to align this thing in the middle and align this thing in the middle. Now we need to connect these two, hold Ctrl and increase it in size. Now the shape is created, but we need to complete the effect. For that we need to increase the size by pressing Ctrl. We need to create the shape we want. Okay, it's good. Then press Ctrl A and then go to shape format and union them. And before that we need to increase it in size a little. It's good. Now select both of them and make them union. Now we go to shape fill and set it to a slide background. Now you see we can set the shape outline and create this shape we have here. Okay, after creating the shapes, the thing that we need to do is to mirror it by this rotate and put it in the place. Let me put it in the place. Some of you may ask how align it. It's really easy. We go here in the position and see the position is this two thing. Now we copy this thing. For that you see, paste it here, but with a difference. It's minus. You can align it if you use this option perfectly. I'm going to create a, from top left corner, I'm going to create a course about it. But for now we make it from center and then copy this number, make it from center and paste it here and delete this thing. Now everything is created and the shapes are aligned. You can see that they are aligned. By the way, you can make it more beautiful if you make more time for that. After that we need to copy the shapes, the pictures. We paste them here and go to shape format and group them. Then send them to back. Now we align this thing. Copy that. Bring it down. Copy that. Bring it down. One of the things maybe you understand is that the effect is not working like we want. Because of what? Because this layer must go out from there. But if we don't do that, the effect is not appeared as we like. But when we set the transition to more, the shapes are created. And if you change the shapes a little to look like this, you will have this effect. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, bye.